morning to you all around the world. Welcome back. Welcome back to Thankyou Rock's YouTube channel. So it's been a while I don't create a vlog. So for today's tutorial, for today's vlog, we're gonna create a brow 2020 and a cut eye 2020. Yes, we're gonna follow the trend on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. So keep on watching and stay tuned in, and I'll be right back. Welcome back, guys. So here we go. We're gonna start with our eyebrow 2020. I'll show you how I will create my own eyebrow 2020 because we have all different eyebrows. So keep on watching. So firstly, I would align it up. So it's all about lifting. All I can see on their photos tutorial, they all lift their eye a little bit up instead of following this curve. Instead of following this line going down, they sort of follow it up a little bit. One is suitable for this sort of eyebrow look, but it's up to you to try, or it's up to you to try the trend. Here we go. So I will line it up first, going up. Can you see? Instead of going down, can you see the hair? That's my hair going connected to the brow. But what we're gonna do, we might shave that up, or we might put a concealer afterwards. So I already lined it up. So I'm just following the line up here. Alright, and then next we're gonna blend it in. So there you go. So I'll be using Maybelline mascara, sort of just to have this side sticking up. So here we go. In with the mascara. Can you see it? And then up. Oops, don't worry about that. This has been all been doing. I've been using a mascara, guys. So don't worry about the edges there. So I'll be cleaning this up and I'll be right back. So I have a eyebrow shaving here. So I will shave it up down and brush it off up. So I just brush it up like that. The extra hair. So there you go. That's the brows 2020. But we're gonna clean the top one. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get a concealer again with a tart concealer. Just the edge. And I'll just sort of following this. Next, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna grab my eyebrow brow artist from L'Oreal and just sort of like grab a little bit of product into my eyebrow brush. And just wipe it out. And then up here, I'm not gonna do a really deep or really intense dark in my gap. So I'm just gonna sort of blend it in. But anyway, we're gonna sort of can you see it?
Do you have a moment? And this very
Hi
second,
guys,
I know
so
you feel the
this is the brows I just did. So instead of going down, sort of
Do you feel the rhythm all the way?
so here we go. We're gonna do a concealer. So I already done my foundation except for my brows.
Everything in this world will be okay.
Blush on.
Can we be together all the way? I know you feel this movement right here. You just be vibing,
Now,
reaching
we're gonna
for
do a
something
survey, very light.
I know
See that
you
one there?
feel
That's
this
what we're gonna do.
movement right here.
So
You
what we're gonna
just be
do, have a
vibing,
brush.
reaching for something
Any brush you can find.
Nights in California,
So we're gonna do like just
passing
here.
homes, yeah, right by sunset colored sky,
But sort of blend it in.
chilling by the ocean, driving up the mountain,
Blend it in,
soaked
guys.
in the endless beauty all of you. You know it feels alright.
Can you see it's blending in?
Alright.
Just dab it in there. And blend.
Yeah. Can you see the
Look similar.
vision? Everything in this
Sort of blend it
world
in.
will be
So it's only
okay.
one tone. That's all we're gonna use.
Can we be together all the way? I know
so
you
this
feel
one,
this
blend it in.
movement right here. You just be
Just gonna do
vibing,
up.
reaching for something within you. I know you feel this movement right here. You just be vibing, reaching for something within you. Nights in California, fly
Brown.
passing homes, yeah, right.
So we're gonna do
by
a
sunset
wing
colored sky.
from here.
Chilling by the ocean, driving up the mountain, soaked in the endless beauty, all of you. You know it feels
Just like
alright.
Can you see what I'm saying?
Alright.
And grab for the dark one, dark eyeshadow. Can you see it? Dark eyeshadow. And do another line. So just do another line again. But this time it's black.
I dare you to fix me.
Alright.
I'm crossing the line.
So don't worry about the fall.
Falling on my
Blend again. Sort of blend.
No stranger to pain. It's never ending.
So
It's only
blend it towards the
something I can't forget. My heart won't let it rest, but you keep
Can you
on
see?
forgiving.
Can you see the difference? So that's normal eyes, and that's the sort of a cat eye. It's not finished yet, but you know what I'm saying? So just go towards your thing and blend it in.
There's no air left to breathe. I'm drowning. Vultures are circling me.
I like it already.
Around it, I need
Sort of
to
angled
find.
brush.
I know
So
it's
just
just
in
so
this
hard
and sort of
to let
blend
it
it
go.
up.
Shine
A
a
bit messy.
light I can see.
Top the excess.
Something I can't forget. My heart won't let it rest.
So just top the excess and sort of
Keep
bring
on
it in. So grab another one. Another
Admit
black
that I'm
eyeshadow.
afraid. If I let go of this rage, am I completely betrayed?
And just continue blend it in.
Something I can't forget. My heart won't let it rest, but you
Blend.
keep on forgiving. Oh, admit that I'm afraid. If I let go of this rage, am I
Blend it in
completely
towards your eyes.
betrayed? My heart, my love, my life,
Oh, that's a cat eye.
the prize.
Alright.
It's hard.
Now, I'm happy with that sort of a cat eye look. I'll be right back with the finished look. Tune in. I'm just gonna put my fake eyelashes and the whole thing. Yeah, bye. Hello everyone, welcome back to Thankyou YouTube channel. So this is the brow 2020 I just finished and the cat eye look. So be the judge, guys. So this is my first attempt doing this kind of a look for 2020 and I'm still practicing. So please be be nice, not cruel. But anyway, this is the outcome of the makeup tutorial, I mean the eye tutorial that I just did earlier, and the brow. So this is the outcome. It's kind of, you know, messy a little bit earlier, but I fixed everything. So I fixed like with concealer and stuff. So hopefully you guys will like it. And for those of you who support me from the beginning until now, thank you so much for always supporting me. To all my subscribers, thank you so much. To all the new subscribers, thank you so much. And to all my organic friends, thank you so much. And we're gonna do a sort of a travel vlog maybe, or just I'll show you around where I am. All right, so are you ready, guys? So if you like this vlog, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe on my channel. and click the notification bell so you're always notified on my new vlog and with my kalokohan. And that's it. And have a good weekend. And God bless everyone. And bye. Bye.